Okay, Tony. So basically, I want to show you what we have here. A little bit of an explanation. You probably weren't expecting this, but just something I had working in the background. My main goal was not only to get results for your business, but it's to show you what I'm doing is working. Ultimately, we want to get traffic to your site. We want to get them to call you, and then it's up to you to sell it. My job is to get you the leads and to show you that that is what I'm doing. And that is what this software is going to help us do. This software is going to help us do a lot of things. So when we start working on your site, on your actual site, and optimizing your site, this is really, really going to help us. Right now, my investment in this is just to show you what I'm doing is working. Later in the future, we can go in depth, take a deep dive, and start working on SEO on your website. Start peeking at what your competitors are doing, watching their traffic. If it's working for them, turn around and get them to. But turn around and copy them, do what they're doing if it's working, and get some of that traffic. Okay, so this is some information that's we're gonna be able to do. It's gonna give us precise visitor and website analytics, automatic rank tracking, precise backlink analysis. In other words, all the backlinks we're gonna build for you, be it from social or be it from these directories or from Facebook or from blogs or from press releases. It's going to give us that precise backlink analysis. That's going to be nice. Automatic keyword and domain analysis. The keywords that are on your websites, the keywords that are on your blogs, reviews, how is that taking effect in you getting traffic? Okay. Website malware checker. Later on in the future, when we start doing some things to your website, you're going to want to have that in place and check to see if that's, if you have anything like that. Okay. So, looking here, scrolling down here to this website, look, here's some of the analytics that it's going to show you, okay? So, as it says, imagine if you knew exactly how to get traffic like this, okay? We're going to be able to see this traffic and how it flows from the date, okay? Then the total amount of page views, unique visitors. Those are unique visitors is when they go to www.texassaescapes.com, okay? Here it shows you some flows. Now this obviously is a case study. I'm going to be recording these results on what we're doing on your website for my own case study and also for you to have so you can see what is happening. But we're going to be able to see here. This has nothing to do with affiliate earnings. We're not trying to earn any affiliates here, but obviously I can use that for other things. But not on your website, on other projects. Okay. So basically, as it says here, it's an exact roadmap to getting results. Okay. Because one of the things that you really emphasize is you want to see results. So this is what it's going to show you the results of what we're doing and how it's working and what we need to do to tweak it to turn it or convert it into sales or phone calls, leads. Okay. Let's see here. This is just some of the information. This is the sales website. Okay, so when I saw this, I said, you know what? I need to get this for Tony. This is going to help us both, me with other clients, and especially now in this Google My Business. Are the results working? Is it helping us out? And because you can pay and invest in a lot of marketing tactics and strategies, and behind all that investment, in the back of your head is it working? Is it sending traffic to my site? Is it helping are these SEO efforts helping my website rank? That's got to be behind your head. Behind my head is what I'm doing working. Well, this is one sure way to find out. This is called the Web Detective. Okay, and so as you see in the videos above and all the demonstrations and everything, I've got this jam-packed. I got the pro version of this thing. I got the which is the the advanced version, and then I went ahead and upgraded it again and got the agency right, so I can max out on just about everything but the keywords, so that there's nothing holding me back in getting all the information I'm going to need with the Google Words Now. And then later in the future, if we want me to take a deep dive into your website and go in there and play ninja on your competitors and continue to do things to your site to get it up there and to get traffic and to prove that it's working, definitely I'll have this in place if you want to launch into that. Look at this, visitor analytics. You see, if it's going to tell you where your visitors are coming from. Okay, so if they're coming from Google Maps, it's going to show it, and it's going to show the influx of your visitors and the dates. And that's the thing that I like. Not only that, if we put together a press release and backlink it, it's going to show the backlinks from that press release and then show the amount of visitors. You see, what I'm going to do is, on the last video, not today, I'll do this tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and register your business, okay? I'm going to register your business, and then it's probably going to look like real low, right? Okay? But then as time goes on, as what I'm doing starts working, we're going to start to see these spikes. These spikes, and then it's going to tell us whether these spikes are coming from Angie's List, whether they're coming off of the directories, whether it's coming from Google Maps, whether it's coming from backlinks, whether it's coming from Facebook. And that's the exciting part. That's when you start seeing these spikes come up, and then you can track it to where it's coming from. That's when things really start getting exciting. That's when we start to tweak what we're doing, and then, okay, are the sales there? Okay, well, why aren't the sales there? Is they coming from the videos? Where's the traffic coming from? Why aren't the sales there? Then you start to tweak it. Then you start to look at your competitors and see what they're doing. Then we start to spy and see where their traffic is going. Now, I've got some things in store for you, Tony, such as once they get to your site, what's happening? I've got video. I've got software that will take video of what your customers are clicking on. Did they click on the contact button, or they just thought it was a pretty site and jumped off? I've got software that's going to keep them on the site. Well, when they try to leave, it's going to bounce them back on. So, got a lot of neat things, a lot of tricks. I've invested bundles and thousands of dollars on software to help local businesses. Okay, and we're going to implement as many as you allow me to your business. Okay, here's rank and index analysis. One of the things that this software is going to do is going to index your website. In other words, when you create a blog and put in the search keywords, it's going to tell you whether you have good search keywords or not, whether they're in the right place or not. But then after that, it's going to go ahead and ping it. It's going to go ahead and let Google know, hey, I've got a new blog. I just updated my Facebook. Hey, it's going to have crawlers go out there, and it's going to take care of that. Here's some of the information here. I'm going to leave it a little bit so you can kind of pause it. And remember, you can always pause it and read this. It's recording my screen. But look at this, search index. See if your website has indexed various search engines, because once you've got your position, you can see where you are relative to others and clearly see what you need to do to outrank them. This is most powerful, most useful to you, especially when website ranks away down the list. Okay? So as it starts to fall off of first page Google, once we get it there, we can kind of see what's happening. What are those that are in front of you? They're doing something different. So all we got to do is what they're doing and more of it to keep it there. So this is just awesome stuff. Domain analysis. We're going to go ahead and enter in your domain, and it's going to start to give us some analysis about your website. Okay, who is search information? Who is this is regarding your competitors here. Expired domain list, IP analysis, the IPs as to who's going to your site, where are they coming from? Okay, are you getting some worldwide looks? You getting is your traffic basically only local? Or do you have other businesses in surrounding cities of San Antonio looking into your business, looking to maybe call you? So this is, as you start to grow in business, you want to know who's looking at your site and who to target. Maybe Austin's looking a lot at your site next summer. Why? Maybe you need to expand and put out there, hey, I'll travel to Austin. If the money's right, I don't see why not. So, here's some more link analysis. It's going to have a link in how many external links you got, internal links. Remember I talked about internal and external SEO? This is what it's talking about. Do follow links, okay? I believe that's social. And no follow links. It's going to go ahead and count these off for you. So we're going to be taking a look at all of this information and analytics like tomorrow when we get started. I'll create a video and then we're going to see the progression happen as things start to happen on the web. Okay, so this is page status checker. Would you like to figure out where your website is right now and where it's going to be after we start working on it? I mean, that is awesome. That is awesome information. Keyword analysis. What keywords are we using? Are we using the right keywords? Okay, that people are searching in Google to get to a business like you? Well, how do we know? Well, this right here is going to tell us. It's going to show us exactly. And it's going to give us a list of keywords. Why does Google suggest certain keywords? Because people, okay, for example, in the Make Money Online list, people are paying $10, $15, $20 a click for that particular keyword. That's why Google knows what are the best keywords for your niche or for your business or service. So that's awesome. Not only those keywords, look at this keyword density, H1, H2. I know that doesn't mean anything to you, but Google sees these as certain rank or certain relevance in a certain niche. Phrases, keyword phrases, all this important backlink generator. It's going to quickly create 50 high-ranking, high-quality backlinks. That'll push at a push of a button with this feature. You'll get a report of exactly where your links appear once it's complete. So you're not just I'm just not gonna say, hey, look, Tony, we got 50 backlinks. No. Here they are, and here's where you can find them. Website ping. Using this power, I know you don't understand what website ping is, but if you knew what that meant, you would it would blow your mind. Listen. Using this power of at least 99 ping sites, you can quickly notify search engines about any updates you've made on your blog or website. Okay? So, what that does for you is that the more often you update your site, the more often you notify search engines of those updates. The more likely you'll start seeing massive increase of traffic to your site. So, I mean, that's awesome. What else we have here? Malware scan. It's something you're gonna want to look at. You know, as your traffic starts getting more site, you start getting more bugs. You want to know that you're protected. If your website is a WordPress, I have some security plugins for that for you. We can get into that later. But that's important, okay? Because if your competitor sees your website on page 1, and they want to knock you out, they'll give you some malware. And Google sees your malware, Google will then slap you and take you off the first page till you fix that malware. Because that means that you're getting all this traffic because they're putting you on page 1 and you're giving them bugs, right? So Google will ban you. So that's just, it's just part of the game. You've got competitors out there, they're trying to give you malware so they can knock you out. And if you've got security tools to catch that, scan that, well, you're on top of it. Okay, and then I've got some plugins to keep you from getting malware. Okay, all right. Let's see here. What else we've got? Google AdWords Scraper. If you ever want to get into Google Words, it's a whole line of business. I've got stuff for that too. But basically, what that is that's called direct traffic. They say that some of the best traffic is traffic on demand. That is the traffic from Google AdWords. Okay, that is the top 3 boxes you see when someone puts in guaranteed to be on top. Okay, so you could spend 1,000 to 10,000 a month. Okay, so when you're ready for that, you let me know. But anyhow, it has it's able to let you know what you need to use so that those campaigns for Google AdWords are effective. Okay, it's got some utilities here. All right, duplicate email filter, valid email check, email encoder, meta tag generator. This is for SEO on your website. URL encode decode, robot code generator, plagiarism check. This is cool. How do we know that your competitor isn't using some of the blogs and some of the information on your website and they're trying to put it on their website because they're spying on you? You know, it's technically, you know, you could report them to Google, get them knocked out if they have or are straight up copying, okay, some of your marketing tactics on your website and putting it on theirs. This is going to let you know whether they're doing that, whether your competitors or any other website on the web is using your information or cloning it. And I mean, I know you don't may not know a lot about internet security, but there's hackers out there that'll clone your website and turn around and put exactly what they wanted to say and redirect that traffic. So they got your website, they are getting your traffic and they're directing it to your competitor. Imagine that, man. Well, this is going to check that. So it's awesome. Native widgets. When they say native, this has to do with native advertising. It's supposed to be pretty effective. I've got I've got a couple of courses on that I bought into. Just got to find the right native ad. That's all that is. But anyway, APIs, basically that is so that it can interlink or sync in with other software. So basically, obviously, there's a key, API key, that you can use to sync with other softwares or native ad softwares. That's just another service. All right, so basically, here's some of the features. I like this. These little pie charts going to tell you everything that's happening there. Let me see what else. It says this site has a responsive front end. Okay, so basically, it's gonna let you know whether, which means it's automatically adjust to the type of screen viewed. Okay, so basically, you are going to be able to see these results on a mobile device. It's going to be mobile responsive. Okay. Languages, that doesn't really affect you, but it does have English, which is all we need to know there. Okay, so let's see here. Forget about the price. I went ahead and got the advanced version, okay, which is giving us all this right here. Okay, it's giving us, and then over here is telling us what it's doing. Okay, so I went ahead and went with the best. Okay, because it's got all the green lights. I don't know why this box is popping up. So there we are. Okay, and the other thing I did was get the agency information. So, you know, which is right here. The agency came with everything unlimited. I just went ahead and upgraded. And so for the price, not bad. I get about $150 a month, so pretty close to that for agency. But not only can I use it for you, I could use it for others. So I'll recoup my investment there. Better find me some clients. All right. Well, look, that's it. Next video you'll see will be the video for. The next video you'll see will be the video actually signing you up and getting all this first day analysis, and we'll keep that, we'll hold on to that, and then we're going to go back and refer to it as things start to happen, as things start growing. So Tony, it's going to be very exciting, man. Not only are we doing everything to get your business going, but we got a nice little tool right here that's going to show us, man. It's going to show us the traffic that Google My Business is going to start generating to your site and to your business. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I'm working a lot of things in the background, and not only am I working, okay, to get you results, to get you phone calls, to get you leads, okay, I'm working to see you make more money at your business this year more than ever, because as I mentioned, you know, this is you're my beta project, and as you start as this starts to make you money, I am going to use this to my benefit and getting more clients. I believe this is going to be key case study, what I did to your business to just lock in more clients here next year for myself. Also, it's going to be fun to see this grow. I mean, before our eyes with the software, to see us do different strategies and tactics to your business and just see it grow. It's going to be awesome. Hope you're excited. We'll let you go. I know this video is kind of long. So take care. Look forward to the next video, which will show us setting everything up for you here regarding this so you can start seeing results. All right.